Today I'm gonna be reviewing Purple Dragon fixed blade outdoor knife set. This is how it comes. It comes in this box. This is how it looks. Really nice. Really nice wood handles on here. Beautiful. I mean, these are really good looking knives. There's one knife there. You can see here. Look at this. And it does come with a little, I'm going to take that off right there. Easy control. So they've added this hole so you have easy control. You've got a gut hook here for cleaning game right there. Look at that. Again, really, really nice handle, beautifully made. See right there, the handle's just buttoned in after you're done using them. I mean, really good. I could see this being a great Christmas gift. I'm excited to have this, even if you're not hunting and not using this for a boning knife right here. All this, again, you can use these for other activities, outdoor, bushcraft, anything like that. Just really, they're really sharp, really cool looking knives. And so I think you're going to be happy. These do really well on Amazon. 4.5 stars. And last month, October 2025, 400 of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.